Come on, we're going for our first boat ride. Oh, you're scared, buddy? You're not scared of anything.
Daisy.
Good girl.
It's okay.
Good girl. Nope, stay there, buddy. Ready, buddy? Oh, you look scared. Yeah. Are you scared, buddy?
Oh.
It's all right, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna have fun. Don't jump out. I'm coming in. You don't have to worry about that. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm literally up in the air. Am I touching the water?
There you go, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, are you a boat dog? Yeah.
Hey, Daisy. Oh, you look so cute in the water.
Oh, yeah, buddy. You like this?
Ow!
Sorry. All right. Yeah. You're a real river dog now. Yeah.
We're tapping. No, she's thirsty. She's thirsty.
All right. Get a drink, river dog. Get a drink, buddy. You like this? You like this?
Wait, how much do you weigh?
For me? Some. I don't weigh myself.
Back to your cart.
Are you responsible enough to have that?
No.
You
Probably.
don't seem like you're ever focusing. Are you even recording right now?
Yeah. God, you're crowning glory. Glorious.
There you go, buddy.
I don't feel responsible with the camera.
Okay, then pause it.
Wait, are you videotaping?
Yeah, how do you like your boat life?
Boat.
Hashtag boat life. There's a cat up there on the bank. You see it?
Hey, look at the cat.
Yeah, there's a cat up there.
Look at the cat.
All right, Mia, how far down the river do you want to go?
See, guys?
Like out of this world far, or like?
Man, we are going strong. I'm just paddling as hard as I can, guys.
Yeah.
There's some kayakers, and I was just like, this is my
Are you a punk to other kayakers?
be like, this is my trip.
All right, Daisy.
She's gonna fall.
Daisy, you gonna fall out? Yeah.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
All right, Daisy. You're a good river dog, huh?
That she's gonna fall in.
Nope. I doubt it. She loves this. Right, Daisy?
Daisy, I do not feel comfortable with you standing.
Daisy, do you love this?
Daisy.
All right, guys. We'll check back in a little bit.
Owie. Owie.
I think Daisy's less afraid than you are. I think you're more afraid than Daisy is. She just let her get a drink. She's like, this whole river is my thirsty grounds. And I want to drink it all.
Look at this.
Yeah, she doesn't stay clean. Her feet are dirty, but...
Ow. You should turn back and wrap her up.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. No way. I gotta steer a little bit here. Oh, hey there, Daisy. How was that, Daisy? Oh, yeah. You want a drink, Daisy? You can get a drink in the water. Sure you can. Yeah, get a drink, buddy.
Here, Daisy. Look at this glass.
Here's the awesome floating dock area that you guys might have saw in another video, but now that it's February summer, as I like to call it, hashtag February summer. That's when it's 70 degrees in February, which is weird. People are all about the river life now, and as you can see, these people do the good stuff. Look at that, freaking sweet. Hey, I think there's a dog up there. There is. Look, there's a dog up there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Hey, pup, how do you feel about that dog up there? Is he a river dog like you? Probably. Want to get a drink, buddy? How do you feel about our trip so far? She's a bit nervous about our trip. She's concerned that our dog is trying to... She's very concerned that our dog's trying to jump in the water all of the time. I try to tell her that he's not, but she doesn't believe me. I think...
She's getting me sopping wet.
That's what happens when you go on a river trip. You get wet. That's why you wear your wet shoes, right? So we found this sweet little island here. We decided we'd get out, and the dog wanted to hop out immediately, so he's ready to explore. There's like a little area out here where where a little creek flows into the Conestoga River here. So that's pretty cool. Someone built a little bridge across it there. It's cool. Daisy has a chance to finally get a drink. The good news is, the thing that I just thought of is that for another vlog here, I'm going to use my life straw. And if you don't know what a life straw is, it's this straw that has a filter built in, so that you can drink contaminated water. So for another vlog here coming up in the next couple days, I'm going to come down to the river and I'm going to drink out of the river using my life straw. So that's something to look forward to. First attempt at skipping stones this season. Ready? Go ahead. Oh, half a skip. Half a skip. Is skipping stone try number 2. Show us what you got. Alright, keep it going. Ready? Go. Alright. You got a skip or 2. Better than 0. Yeah, point it at the water. Ready?
Wait. That was like 7. Owie. Huh. Oh, beat that, Sonny boy.
I can easily beat that.
Wait. Why?
We decided that we're going to turn around now, and so because we don't want to pedal back, we're going to go ahead and hook up the old engine here. So as you can see,
They cannot see because of Daisy's butt.
Oh, well, she looks past me here.
Safety.
We're going to turn it on. We're going to blast the generator.
Ow! Ow! That hurt. Ow! This is hurt. Ow.
Here we go. And we're off. Off to the races. Here we go. Speeding home. All right. Puppy's like, hey. Puppy's like, hey. Puppy's like, what? Puppy's like, hey. No, buddy. No. No. No.
What did I tell you?
All right, buddy. There you go. There you go. Unblock it. Now on. All right, buddy. Yep. Now we're really flying. Motoring on home with our battery-powered Minn Kota. Yep. I don't know if you're still recording, but you're pointing at nothing.
I am.
All right. Well, you gotta pay attention. Show around. You're panning so fast.
Alright.
This is ridiculous. As you've seen in some of my videos.
Hello! Daisy, look at the camera. So, we're coming back from our trip. We're going to be parking very soon. Docking. Look at little Daisy dog. Look at little Daisy dog. Look! Daisy! Look, now she's being a good girl. We made it to our humble abode. Imagine drop, splash. Crap. So if I dip this in the water.
I'd be unhappy.
Daisy.